Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video we're gonna explain how to solve your math problems, specifically in the topics of limits, using your calculator. Alright, so why I'm making this video? I'm making this video because some of my mates asked me to find for them some techniques to easily and quickly solve the limits problems. Some of them are not that good with limits problems and solving, and others like they don't have enough time to in their exams to solve the problems with the steps. First of all, like our main tool, our calculator, I have mine is FX991 ES plus. So now let's look at this example. Here I have limit x going to infinity, x squared minus 5x plus 6, or x squared minus 6x plus 9, all power 3x minus 1. How I'm gonna answer such a question? All I need is to write my equation here, like so. After I copied my equation, I just press calc. So it asks for the substitution for x. Here, as you can see, it's going to infinity. So I'm gonna use something similar to infinity. I'm gonna substitute with 99999. Yeah, maybe 999. It's gonna give me 20. So all I need now is to find the choice that equals the 20.08 value. For me, because I know the right answer, so it's gonna be like alpha e power 3. It's gonna be, yeah, the same value, so the right option is D. So basically all I do is that I copy my equation, then I press calc. He asks for a substitution for x, so I see here x is going to infinity, so I substitute by 9999.9999 instead of infinity, because I don't have infinity. And after I get a value like this, I go and look for the choices which one equals that value, and this is the right answer. All right, you can solve this equation by steps for sure, but as I said before, I'm trying to make it quicker for those who don't have time, or for those who want to make sure of their answers they got. So here we have another example, but here x is gone to 0 rather than infinity, and we have a trig function. So as we have trig function, we need to convert the calculator from degree to rad, and to do this we're gonna use shift mode 4. So now it's on rad. I'm gonna copy my equation like this, and all power 5 over x. I'm gonna press calc. Now needs for substitution for x, and as I have my limits going to 0, so I'm gonna put a very small value, like we can see, like 0.0001 and then answer. I have this digit, like we're gonna save it, record it here, 48497113. And now I'm gonna look at the choices and find the option that equals this value. And as I know the problem and I know the answer of it, so it's gonna be e power 20. Yeah, I have the same value, so the right answer is C, basically. So we here have a new example, a new type of questions when he asks for A and B. So first, to solve that kind of questions, you need to suppose any values for A and B. Let's say A is like 5, B is 3, anything. You could like substitute with any values you want. And now we work on degree as we have no trig functions here. So we're gonna copy our equation, which is, oh yeah, or I said A, I will substitute with 5 and have here alpha x. Oh, minus E. B, I'm gonna substitute with 3 alpha x. And here I have alpha x. So now I'm gonna press calc. He asks for substitution for x, and as I can see, limit is going to 0. So I'm gonna choose a value that's so near 0, like 0.001. That gives what? That gives 2. So the answer of this question must be 2. Alright, I record it. So after I recorded 2, I look for in the choices an option that gives 2. So here we have, as we supposed, A equals B and A equals 5 and B equals 3. How can I get 2? By A minus B. So if you just, like, you could suppose A 6, B 4, but at the end, whatever you suppose here using A and B, you would find the suitable relationship between them, and then you could choose the answer based on it. You can try other numbers and it's gonna work, don't worry about it. And that's it for this question. Our answer is gonna be A. That's it.